coming. I'm so excited. I love how you can feel it boom, like it's going through your chest. And then it crackles and it's so powerful. Look, did you see the flash? 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 4 miles away. Apparently, every second it takes the sound to travel is about 1 mile. 2 miles? It's 2 miles a second. Oh, okay. So it's about 8 miles away, not 4. That makes more sense. Whoa. No, that one I wasn't expecting. I didn't even see the flash, did you? Are you okay? You jumped at the noise. You don't like thunder? Aw, I'm sorry. Well, even though there's a storm on the way, thank you for braving the weather to come hang out with me. And thank you for honoring the dress code and wearing your pajamas. If we're hanging out at my house, we're wearing pajam-jams. I've put my favorite red plaid flannel pants on and a shirt with a little bunny on it. Oh, thanks. I thought it was cute too. And you look very comfy. I love Snuggly clothes. They are the best. You did bring a blanket. Okay, I have lots of blankets here, but I get it. Sometimes you gotta have that certain fabric or design you love. That's the best thing about being comfortable. It can be however you need it to be. If you follow me to the kitchen, I have an assortment of teas and a couple flavors of hot chocolate if you want. This one is s'mores. This one is raspberry. There's a couple. You can just dig through there. The water is over here. It was just boiling and I just turned it off, so it's still gonna be hot. And I set out all of the cute mugs on the counter, so you can just pick the one you want. There's more in the cupboard, but they're just plain white, so put out all the cute ones. I have lots of animal ones, though. There is a deer, it's a little fox, a colorful cat, cute little puppy. Oh, that one has a lid. It's a mushroom, see? The lid is on the top of the mushroom, but it comes off. You want one of these? Okay, perfect. I'm gonna stick to my favorite, which is the cat mug with the little whiskers. And I'm going for hot chocolate. I like the one with the little candy cane pieces in it. Oh, but it's so good. It is perfect for chilly weather. Okay, do you want to sit in the living room? I think so. I think so too. I've got the fire going. Well, it's not real, I guess. Technically, that's still a fire. It's just not burning real wood. It just has bare flames that glow. But yeah, still a fire. I lit some candles too, because I love that ambient glow of candles. It's so soft and calming. Go ahead and sit anywhere you want. There's the big comfy chair, but if you want to sit on the couch with me, you totally should. We can keep each other warm. You really don't like thunder, do you? What don't you like about it? It does feel pretty intense. It's kind of overwhelming. I'll give you that. Come here, sit right here. Right next to me. I've got to have my feet all tucked in. I like tucking the blanket under them like this to make sure the monsters can't get them. I've never seen a foot monster, but I've also never had my feet bitten by one, so at least it's working. I am so sorry the thunder is bothering you. Do you want me to put on some music or something? We could watch a movie. Are you sure you're okay? No, I don't think it's silly. Lots of critters are scared by thunder. It's probably a really natural thing. Those feelings tell us when to head for cover and settle in until it all blows over. Oh, uh-oh, the lights flickered. It must be really windy out. Oh no. Oh, the lights went out. Give it a second, they'll be back on. Maybe. Yes? Maybe? No. Huh, I think the power went out. Well, the fire is still going, but that's petrol, so it doesn't need electricity to run. So that's not really going to tell us. Can you see the microwave clock from here? Over in the kitchen. Can you see it? No? Okay, the power's definitely out. It's okay though, I'll check the breaker box. No, it's not in the basement. That would be so scary. I'd never go down there. Well, yeah, but not at night during a storm when the power is out. That's way too scary. That's how scary movies start. The breaker box is in the garage, so I'll be right back. Oh, yeah, you can come. Come along. I've got the flashlight on my phone to guide us. It is right by the door. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Nope, it's out. No power. It is definitely out. Oh, well, maybe something scary will happen. Oh, whoa. Hey, are you okay? Aw, come here. Let me hug you. Come here. Nothing scary is gonna happen. You're safe, okay? Those are just movies. They're not real. They were made up. They win awards and stuff. Look, door is locked. You're really upset. Oh, come here. Come on, come back to the couch with me. Come here, sit down. We've got the fire. We've got a lot of candles. You could pretend we just turned the lights off to make it more cozy. You don't like the dark. You don't like the dark or thunderstorms. And now the power went out during a storm. Well, that's a little unfair. Yeah. Huh. Why don't you scoot over here and I can cuddle you? Well, yeah. Well, it's comforting. It might make you feel better. There are actual studies that show warmth from a person or a pet can lower your blood pressure and strengthen your immune system and stuff like that. If you want to. Yeah, I'd love to snuggle you. What are friends for? Come here. Come here. You can lay on me and I'll put my arms around you. Yeah, just like that. Oh, well, thank you. You give really good hugs too. And when the thunder hits, I will just squeeze you a little bit tighter like this. Aw, your little heart is beating so fast. You poor thing. Don't feel bad. No, don't feel bad. It's okay to be scared of things. Your brain wants to make sure you stay safe and sound. But sometimes our brains can get a little confused and think we're in danger when we're really not. You're not alone. You're with me. I'll look after you. I'll make sure you're safe and sound. I promise. You just snuggle up and I will keep my arms around you and make sure you're okay. Every time you breathe out, try to sink down farther into the blankets. Just let yourself melt into me. You're not squishing me. I'm fine. I'll tell you if my arm falls asleep. I'm actually okay though, but thanks for asking. Do not worry about me. I'm fine. Can you hear the rain outside? How do you feel about rain? Rain is okay? Yeah, it's kind of soothing, I think. You just don't like the thunder. Don't feel bad. Why? You're allowed to be scared. There is nothing weird about that. Hey, no. Look at me. Look at me. It's okay. You don't have to defend yourself to me. No. You deserve to be snuggled and comforted. I care about you. I want you to feel better. What is what? Oh, I was just walking my fingers up your back. Is that okay? It feels good? Okay. Kind of tickles, but in a good way. Ooh, maybe you'll get the chills. Have you ever done that? If you make a fist like this and pretend it's an egg, you can crack it on someone's head like this. You go tap, tap, crack, then tickle your fingers down their neck like it's the yolk running down. Okay, I won't. It does. It kind of tickles. Did that tickle? Yeah, it can give you the chills. Like your body shakes a little. Like, ooh. I don't know. It's just something you can do with friends. Give each other the chills. But that's okay. I'll just stick to walking my fingers on your back. And your shoulder. You are still shaking. Aw, I am so sorry. Here, I have an idea. We'll consult the professionals online. I'm going to look up how to comfort during thunderstorm. Here's an article. Perfect. How to comfort a rabbit during a thunderstorm. Well, that'll work. I don't know. I mean, you're pretty cute and snuggly like a rabbit. Hey, it might work. It's worth a try, I think. Let's try it. Let's see if it works. Okay, step 1. Determine if your bunny is indeed afraid of the thunder. You're kind of hiding and you're not moving, so that checks out. But how do we comfort you? Okay, you want a good hiding place. I'd say we've got that covered. The couch is pretty well set up. We've got some pillows, we've got some blankets. You're sort of in a little nest here. Next step is reduce the noise. I said that. I said we could put on music. But if you don't want music, we can put the blanket over your ears, if you like, so that you can't hear the thunder as well. Is that better? No? Okay, I could sing a song. Is that? No. Okay, all right. Let's see, what's something else? Stay with your rabbit. Done. I'm here. I'm not leaving. I've got one arm around you. Oh, it says I can be your anchor. I'll just sit here and make you feel more confident, I guess. That's good. All right. The next one says to interact with your bunny. Okay, so like pet them. I could pet your hair. Just sort of play with it. That works, right? Distract them with treats. Well, where did your mug go? Okay. May I interest you in a delicious beverage? Oh no! Quick, hide! Get under the blanket and I will play with your hair. Is it working? Do you feel comforted? It also says not to pick you up because that could stress you out. I know you're not a rabbit. There's no article for comforting your human, unfortunately. What? It kind of worked? You're distracted at least. You gotta admit that. Oh, the lights came back on. Yay! Now I get to reset all the clocks in the kitchen. Does that make you feel better now? We've got power? No, it's okay. We can keep snuggling. Sure, it's nice. You are really cozy. And your heart is not beating as fast as it was. That's good. I don't know. Maybe you're getting a little sleepy. Sleepy bunny. Aw, you poor thing. You're doing great. No, this isn't boring. I like hanging out with you. It's comforting. You just relax. We don't even have to say anything. I just like being next to you.